I would say very high quality in terms of quality of the presentations, but also in terms of the question from the audience. So it was, again, people were engaged, and we had top science and world-class commercialization paths being described. Absolutely, I think the quality was there, and what I really liked is that you had a good overview of the entire spectrum of the entire field to understand the scientific development, but also the commercialization, and beyond commercialization, meaning manufacturing, discover biomarkers, all those elements that make essentially a product reach patients. Yeah, I would say I would definitely recommend this to friends and colleagues. It's always hard to say, but if it's anything between 8 and 10, I think I would settle with the 9. So top quality event. Again, very good networking possibilities also, and the size of the event is very well adapted for making this possible.